Hey guys, it's Shane from Learnerpreneur.net, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube link in your TikTok bio. It's a great way to cross-promote yourself and build your following on two platforms. So if you'd like to do that, just watch this short tutorial until the end. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click Me. That's going to open up your profile page where underneath your profile picture, it will say Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile. At the very bottom of this page is going to see an option that says Add YouTube to your profile. Click on that. Choose the account that is associated with your YouTube channel. And then click the channel itself. It's going to ask you for some permissions. Go ahead and grant them after you read this thing. And there you have it, all done. You have added your YouTube channel to your TikTok bio. I hope this video helped you on how to add your YouTube link in your TikTok bio. If it did, smash like and visit us at learnerpreneur.net.